Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to compare the both phones Realme X7 Max versus iQOO 7 device in terms of the Wi-Fi speed test comparison. So let's see friends which phone has a better kind of Wi-Fi signals and what is the issue is going on with the iQOO 7 as well. I'll try to discuss in this video. And just before this video I did upload a video on the 4G plus comparison between both phones, so make sure to check that video in case if you are interested to know. And don't forget to check the links in description friends for the playlist of the smartphones where you can find all the links for each and every smartphone which I reviewed. Let me try to turn on the Wi-Fi at same time, and in both phones I'll be connecting to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. So let's see which phone can actually capture the much of the Wi-Fi speed. And my Wi-Fi router is of 2.4 GHz and my internet speed is of 93 Mbps per second. That is my internet speed. Let me try to quickly show you the exact routers as you can see friends. So both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi router. And now let me try to select this settings option and show you the transmit link speed. So by using the transmit link speed, you can actually guess how much the speeds are gonna be. So right now in this iQOO 7 device, as you can see friends, iQOO 7 device, we are getting about only 72 Mbps. As I said, this should not be a problem with every iQOO 7 device. So maybe if you have the really good Wi-Fi router with a 5 GHz network and latest 2.4 GHz, then you'll be able to see 150 Mbps. But right now in my unit, I was not unable to see 150 Mbps. So not even with the recent update, but just I'm trying to wait for the next update. So in the Realme X7 Max, you don't have any of those kind of problem. Even with the same Wi-Fi router, I'm getting really 150 Mbps, good speeds as you can connection speed as you can see here. So which is quite normal for other phones like the OnePlus Nord and the Mi11X device as well. I did not have any of those kind of issues. For the first time I'm seeing in the premium end smartphone which has a problem with my Wi-Fi router, not any other phone. So maybe I think because of this iQOO 7 device, I need to buy another router, so which I was saying for a very long time. But just for doing this kind of testings, I did keep my Wi-Fi router with me only. So you know actually what is happening with the upcoming phones as well, how well the Wi-Fi chip present in these smartphones. So right now I'll be using this kind of speed test application, and I'll try to test in one by one phone. So let's test in the iQOO 7 device, and you can see the speeds, how much we'll be able to get. So right now we are getting about 41 and 43 Mbps. As I said, my Wi-Fi speed is 93 Mbps speed. So that is a problem. So if the Wi-Fi link speed, which I showed you before, which is about 72 Mbps only, so that is the reason I was unable to get high speeds in this mobile phone. So this problem did not happen with the Mi11X device, not happen with OnePlus Nord, not any other smartphone. So only not any other high-range mobile phone. Maybe in the mid-range segment mobile phone, yes, 72 Mbps, that I can understand, but not in the high-range mobile phones. So even though I click forget and I connected again, but still there is no use. So let's see friends, 2 times I'm trying to do the testing. So it's still staying at only 40 Mbps, only 40 and 41. So this is the most frustrating part right now I'm having in the iQOO 7 device. So as I said, this problem will not be faced by every user. If you are having the 5 GHz network, your link speed will be close to 700, 800, 600, 200, depends upon the speed. But right now in my situation, this is what the problem is. And in the Realme X7 Max, you can see it's picking up same Wi-Fi speed, how much I was able to get, 91, 92, 93 Mbps, as you can clearly see friends in this Realme X7 Max device. So there's no problem with this phone right now with the connectivity. So there's no issues with the connectivity right now in this phone. That is what I can give that kind of conclusion, because previously which I did the 4G plus results as well, same kind of positive thing as with the Realme X7 Max, and even in the Wi-Fi test also I do feel the Realme X7 Max slightly better in my situation. So the users who are having same like my situation, then definitely for them the Realme X7 Max will be kind of slightly better instead of iQOO 7 device. But if you're having the 5 GHz network, and for the 4G, if you're staying in the metropolitan city, then no need to worry about the connectivity issues in this phone, you won't be having. But if you're having the old router like me and with a 2.4 GHz, then iQOO 7 won't detect high speeds. I'm not sure when they'll be fixing this kind of issue, but this is a quick comparison between both phones regarding the Wi-Fi. So make sure to hit that subscribe and don't forget to check the links in description for the phones playlist. So even for the live wallpapers what I'm using, you can check the links in description as well. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.